What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing this morning? I'm done with my funded account, but trying to pass this firm account real quick. Down 600 for the day. Good. How you doing, man? Just a little bit tired today. Hold on. We'll just run. Put on some music. Go just run. Like, what the fuck? Look at this shit. I don't know. Go it's just insane, I guess. But I don't really want to try short it again, because this move up is pretty weak, as you can see. Price making high, but like CBD is making low, which is more people are selling right now. More aggressive sellers in the market. So basically this move is just like short getting covered, and there's passive buyers only, but you know. 5, unit 5. So for this one, I took a payout last Thursday, so I need 3 more to get a payout. This one also need 3 more. Just real quick. Dude, go. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Oh, it's just so fucking overextended and it's still running. Look at this weekly chart. What the fuck? 22% in a couple weeks. Fucking insane. I thought we would retrace at around 4K, but it would just keep going up. So I would just keep buying. But dude, now I think it's kind of too much. Today we already went up 2% and it's still going. 2.5. Like what in the fucking word? Like these people don't take profit at all? I don't know. I just want to buy gold. I'm done with all my funded, and so basically I'm just trying to pass a couple evals right here, but dude. Ah. Build volume up here. Now we got out of the range. This man is gonna keep going up. Yo, it's just insane. How's everyone doing this morning? Any trades? Let me check the Discord. Any trades? Anything? Yep, go just keep going up. Dude, I really want to take a short. I'm gonna try it again, dude. I don't care, it's just an eval. But dude, I hit this. Like, it's been just grinding up the whole night, to be honest. Oh. Nah, every platform have their own X platform. X is like a partner with them. You know, every platform have their own. So when you create an account with a different firm, they'll give you the credential to log into your X account. You go, just keep running. I don't even care now. The fuck? You know, like go really testing people patience. Like, you know, a lot of people are gonna try to short go for sure. And you know, I've been cool with it for a couple weeks, but now it's like to the point like it's too much. And it's so far away the EM9 on the weekly chart too, which is like insane. I've been waiting for a drop on gold, but I don't see it, so I've been buying on my funded. And it's just going up insane. Dude, this guy gonna blow to fucking 20k, dude. God damn, at this rate, fucking 20k, dude. If we have no pullback at all, bro, like just go straight to the moon, bro. 20k. Dude, like we just been went up like 2% every day. Like today alone is 2%, 2.5, and it's still going. Like that's insane. Oh my god. You know, just 2% on the big move up day breakout. But 2.5 is the first time I see. You know, this is a huge. Today's a huge move up day. Like what the fuck? And it didn't been retraced. Like 2.5%. No one's selling. People are like just. No, it's not a swing prop firm. It's just same as Topstep, but I'm just trying to pass the eval right here. But dude, you know I've been trying to short gold, but earlier I was in long gold on funded. I wouldn't short gold on my funded unless I see real bearish. So, but I would long for sure. But you know, oh today I caught this trade. 26 seconds, 2 micros, up 532 bucks. As soon as market opened, I was spamming buy on MNQ. Got pretty quick right there. You know, I know it would gap up, so I was just spamming. It's a little bit of exploit the system right there, but you know, who cares? Like, this is the first time I caught a trade with 2 micros. You know, 500 bucks in 26 seconds. Like, it was just insane. Like, as soon as I get in, it just pop up to 500 bucks. Ah, dude. Yeah, I was spamming that fucking buy button. soon as it opened, you know, got in. And with this account, I think I bought gold too. Yeah, I bought gold on most of the account. Gold make me profitable. You just gotta press that buy button, you know? Like gold is just that insane, dude. I don't even know like when it's gonna retrace, you know? It's just insane. Dude, every day, like you just see a dip and you buy the dip. God damn, go. I wouldn't short go on funded for sure. It's not recommended, you know. Should only buy. I think I've been buying go only on funded, like make a lot of profit on it. We got a drop now? Come on. Hell yeah. Would love for a drop. Get below the range. Dude, on Friday it was insane, dude. Like I was in options and everything blew. I had to go off the stream there. It's just I was in call options and I blew like 2200 and like I was in a call. It's a 1 week call. But I still have it, so let's hope it's gonna come back for me by the end of this week. But last week I make like a good amount of money, so 2200 was a good lesson. That was like my first ever market crash I ever experienced in my trading career, to be honest. Yo, what's up at 6? Good morning, everyone. Like that was a huge crash. I never experienced that before, to be honest. I don't know what to say. And now market just going up, back up. And I was telling everyone to buy in. I was telling everyone to buy in. I was like, it's a good time to buy down here. For long-term investment. And intraday, I was looking for a snapback, so I was just spamming that buy button. On a higher time frame, it's a good time to buy in, which is a quick retracement. But lower like intraday, it's a crash. But I was telling everyone to buy in. Buy that shit in. They got everyone liquidated and they got the fucking they bought everyone's stuff and the wells, the people with the money, bro. They be bullshit. When people are panic, like that's when you should buy. 100%. People gonna get scared. They're gonna, sell off the positions. You gotta buy because it's not a bearish trend. It's just a crash. A sudden crash. In order for me to see bearish trend, it's gotta make lower high. But it's just a crash. Just one candle down, but otherwise it's still an uptrend. I don't see where's the lower high yet. This is a higher low, right? Still uptrend. So it's not bearish until like it come around up here, reject and break this bottom, then okay, this is a lower high. Market starting to go bearish, Go over here, just insane. Come on now, go. Like, look. I was just spamming that buy button as soon as market opened. When people panic, you gotta buy in. I got in around 550 550. So I think I got pretty good fill. 26 second, $500. 550. I was spamming that shit. Yeah, $500. 683. Oh, you want to see NQ? Yeah, here you go. Cause I guess I'm done with trading. But usually, I just on stream, like I would just show whatever I trade, man. Cause in order to access, if you want to see Bookmap, then I have a subscription in the Discord. I live both Go and NQ. Damn, it's just going up. Oh, it's just insane. Y'all seeing this? Holy shit. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna. I mean, like you gotta subscribe to Whoop. Yeah. I remember you, Nicholas, on Discord. Yeah, I forgot. 1 second. Dude, Go is just insane. I don't know what to say. Good morning, bro. Welcome everyone to the stream. Last week alone, I got like 6K payout. Let's check up on NQ. NQ is currently at POC right now, so probably it's gonna consolidate for a little bit here. I've I've been trading for like 6 months. Yes, sir. Let's get to 300 subs. Let's fucking go. Let's see how many subs we're at. 293. 7 more subs. But Gold just insane over here. Let's see if it's wanna drop. Give me 1 second, y'all. Oh my god, go. Go one. Stop. How much we up today? Hold on. Holy shit. Just 2.5%. Insane. You know, it's the biggest run on Go I ever seen. Like even like when I do like you know, scroll back in the day in the market, I never seen like huge run like this before. Oh damn, Go finally drop. Come on. Just dump. Just a dump on Go and NQ. Dude. Let's see if it's gonna dump though. I don't know. Go is just insane. Yeah. Look at this shit. It won't go down. No, that's just insane. Oh my god, go. Sorry, y'all. Give me 1 second. Let me check up on Go real quick. We got a dump. Yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. My bad, yo. Up, y'all? How we doing? Also, today's bank holiday, so just be careful when you trade. It's pretty risky. Go down. Like, what the fuck? This is insane. Ah. You know, NQ be going down, but gold would never go down. We got a push down go, please. I might add 5 more right here. Let's see if we can keep pushing down. I need 3.6K to pass this account. And I only have a $1,000 daily loss limit right here, so they would lock my account out if it goes up right here. So I have to wait tomorrow. Yeah, it wouldn't go down. Come on, go. You know, like today, it's been going up like 2.5%, at least like some retracement. Something. Dude, this is insane. We'll go. Well, it's going back up. God damn, go. Yep, I'm done with 2 account. Got daily loss limit hit right there. Was trying to short it. So I shouldn't short it, to be honest. Might get another account with them trying to pass, to be honest. Let me get another one real quick. And the other two, I'll try to pass it tomorrow, cause there's a daily loss limit, so they'll lock me out, and I'll have to wait for tomorrow. Let me check out real quick. I'll be back with y'all. So one GC is 10 MGC. So like MGC is like you can play a smaller size. Oh shoot. I don't know which card. My bank suspects it's a fraud, so I have to prove it. 1 second. Yeah, like 1 GC is 10 micros. Yes. All right, here we go. Yo, we're trying to short this shit again. I hate it. Only do this on eval. Don't do it on the funded, dude. But damn, go. Shit. 2 more days for a payout on this one, so I'm gonna try to, you know, wrap the payout. And bro, is gambling? Yes, I'm gambling on my eval. Because I hate gold. It's been going up too much. I need it to go down. No, today's already went up 2.5%, dude. I just hate it so much. I must get more in if it flip right here. I'm just tired today, dude. Dude, I cannot just buy, dude. It's already went up 2.5%. It's hard to buy. You know? Unfunded, I would wait for retracement and buy up, but you know, dude, this is just like you cannot just buy at the top. It's like 2.5%, dude. You know how big it's like 2.5%? It's huge. Goddamn goal. But you know, as I say, I wouldn't do this on my funded. Any tips on Trading Express? You know, at first just start small size, and over the time, once you get consistent, then start increase your size a little bit more. But otherwise, you shouldn't play with the big size because it's gonna mess with your mind, to be honest. Oh my god, look at go. Yes, I should just buy, right? Just go in 5 minis. Then, you know, just buy Pass the account. Goddamn, go. Wanna see a drop? Come on. Who's on my side? Gambling the short right here. Dude, I want to buy high and sell higher, but like this is too high for me to buy, dude. It's just too high, dude. Go post what? Post what? Nah, you cannot share stream on. Nah, chill. Nah, but it would be. This is like really bad. Like it's like I'm going against the trend, but you know, I want to chill right now. I want to gamble a little bit, you know. Do I hatch? No, I don't hatch. On 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 Profirm, you cannot hatch. Oh, virus absorptions right there. Bro, look at this shit. Just new wick opened up and it's just run 2.5%. So basically we're on like halfway of last week. That's insane. How many account you blow a week? I don't know. I don't know, dude. Many people just blow a lot of accounts. If you're not consistent and you don't know what you're doing, then you're gonna blow a lot. Goldie just going. Hell yeah. Goldie. Big time Goldie. Dude, imagine I access positions go long, and then like, as soon as I go long and drop, bro, I would be so mad. How I'm winning? Because I keep my losses small. Like, you can see right here, like for this account, you know, average win and average loss is like, you know, I got 2 points. So every $1 I risk, I get at least $2, you know? $2.23. You know, when duration is always longer than loss duration, you know, always keep losses small. That's how you win. That's the only way to win prop firm. Because your drawdown is so small, so make sure your risk is like also small, so you can take multiple losses and one trade would make everything back. Just gotta cut it quick. Like right now, if I'm on my funded, I would cut it quick. Gotta cut it quick, man. But shit, go. Nice, bro. Yeah, it's not, if it's not going my way, then I cut it. Cause usually when I enter a trade, it's gotta work right away. I'll have like a max side where it would go down for me to take a loss. Just YouTube, man. Just YouTube. Mainly YouTube. Shit, go. Just let it keep pushing up. Let's see how far it goes. How much we up today? Let me see. 2.6%. So let's see if we can get 3%. If we can get 3% up, this is like the widest day of the for gold, bro. Like 3% in one day. Dude, it's just insane. If it goes up 3%, to be honest with y'all. I don't think so. Let me see, for the pivot point, we already at resistance 3. which is pretty fucking insane. And for fucking weekly chart, we already almost reached R4, which is so fucking extended. Look at this chart, how extended this is. You know, just going up, no drawdown. Over here, at least we have a bearish candle, you know, and like some wick candle, but like this is just like parabolic. So I want to see how far it can go. Dude, go just not care about percentage for real, bro. Like, god damn it, bro. You know, NQ, bro. Like we've been going up, yeah, but like it kind of care about percentage, right? But go, it's just like some meme coin, you know, just shoot to the sky, you know. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Come on, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Who would think like, dude, we've been up how many weeks in a row, dude? How insane this is. If y'all telling me right now, like, dude, it's incredible at the same time. It's just like, it's funny to me, like, you know, at least people gotta take profit, or, you know, gotta up here, like, why would buyers still, like, you know, people still buying at this price? Because like, you know, we need buyers to for price to move up, right? And people still buying up here, which is insane, you know. And I don't like it. It's just unhealthy, you know. I need to see consolidation, not just like one fucking straight line up. Because if we don't build volume, this is like unsustainable, and it could drop quickly back, dude. To be honest, I need to build volume like this for it to be stable, you know. But right now it's just insane. You know, faster going up, faster going down, bro. You already know. I don't want to see that. I want to see at least like, you know, a pullback, consolidate a little bit. Yo, but looking at the weekly charts, insane, dude. Yo, fucking in a couple weeks we are up. How many weeks? 8 weeks. We're up 23%. That's pretty huge. That's fucking huge. For gold. This one 8 weeks we up 13%, but this run is insane. Bro, imagine like you buy gold like just a couple years ago, like probably like 20, just a year ago, bro. You would double your access by now. Two, gold does not give a fuck about, you know, technical analysis at all. It just keep going up. Yeah, it's just crazy, dude. Like, I feel like gold doesn't have a cycle of like a bearish cycle, you know? It's just like bullish. Yeah. Like what the fuck people doing with gold? They never take profit? They greedy as fuck. Look at this market. From 2022, if you buy gold, 2021 too, you would, you know, be so rich by now. By just buying gold, doubling your asset. Oh my god, look at this shit. Just keep going up. Dude, insane. Let's see how much I'm gonna take. I think I'm gonna take a 3K payout with this one. How much I'm up? Yeah, I'm gonna take a 3K payout because I took a 1K a couple days ago. I'll take a 3K payout with that. Need 3 more winning days. And I'll take 1K from this account. You know, always take your first K and then like you can build your buffer. Because by then like you already get the 1K out of the account. It's in your bank. You know, you can always purchase a new account, you know. This one I need a couple I need to make at least 3K for a 2.5K payout. And I just got a payout with them last week. 100% win rate. Let's fucking go. No losses yet on this account. This one is 64% win rate. No, keep losses small. Cut your losses quick. Not like I'm trading on my eval. I would just like, you know, chill, let it run. And I want to see how gold's doing right now. I'm just hating on gold right now. I love gold down here, you know, but like I'm hating gold right now for being this extended. It's like I always long gold, but like I feel like it's time for me to kind of, you know, go against the goal a little bit. I rarely short gold, to be honest. Been telling my people to buy gold, and today is the first time I tell people like, damn, it's so fucking overextended. I'm gonna short it. What's NQ doing? NQ pulling back up. Yeah, let's see. I'm just hating on gold right now, to be honest. Now we're at resistance 3 of the day, which is fucking so extended, dude. Insane. People buy every dip. What the fuck? Look at this. Even though it's so overextended today, but people just buy every dip. They greedy as fuck. They want more. FOMO buyers greedy. We got a drop. Shit, I might go and find more. Come on, trot this shit for me. Let's go. Get through them buyers. Okay to pass. Topstep for sure, man. Take profit is they have intraday drawdown. I'm trading with this fund. It's intraday too, but it's just like I don't like take profit. It's they don't have project X and it's intraday, and an account is like $100. They bought the dip again. Goddamn. Just drop. Topstep for sure. They're the number one in the game, bro. No cap. And they have a whole community, so it's even better. Like they've they're well known in the game. Come on now, go. I try with different firm because some of the firms the rules better, and I wanna test out new firm for my members. Just like this one, as soon as I reach 3K, I can get a 2.5K instead of just 1,500 on Topstep. And with this firm, the account's only $70, no activation fee, and it can get 1,500. That's the max payout, but it's still good. No activation fee, $70. So good, But dude, go just dump. it's a zero eval. The firm called Alpha Ticks. You can search it up. Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures, yes. They're really good. $70, no activation fee because I have a promotion going on right now. Yeah, it's the same. Just search Alpha Futures. It's the same. And what I got is the zero plan, the zero account type, no activation fee. End of day drawdown, really good. And you can and same rule as Topstep. 5 days of $200 and you can take 50% of your balance. And 1500 is max payout. Oh, first day on Combine W. Let's just pass the account. Yeah, no problem, bro. Absolutely, man. First W. Good shit on your first account, man. That's a good first day. Come on now. Good start. I'm still waiting for go to drop. So we're at resistance 3. How do I stand it? So I feel like resistance 3 might hold right here. Definitely Topstep, man. Topstep for sure. Or Alpha Future is good too. Easy route just like Topstep. No activation fee, so yeah, Alpha Future is good too. But if you want to, have a good community, then Topstep. Hell yeah. It depends on your budget too, cause like Topstep is like $200, $50 for the account, $150 for the activation fee. But right now, Alpha Future is having a promotion going on right now. But this firm, like this one is cheap, but like it's hard to get a payout. Like you would need at least 2,600, and whatever above that is your payout. And you need to take a trade 10 days minimum. Consistency rules, it's hard. So like it's about like you know the more expensive the account is, the easier to get payout, dude. To be honest. Topstep, Alpha Futures, and third one? Third one, I don't know. I'm thinking. If that's the only two I'm thinking right now for a beginner to get payout. Even though it's a little bit expensive. If I reach just like Topstep, 5 days of $200, you can take 50% of your balance. But you know, there are different account types, so you would have, this is what I'm having right now. Standard plan, like, there's no max payout, but you know, they take 80% though. Like profit split, like in the first couple payout, the first and second one is 70% split. Third and fourth is 80% split. But for the zero account, it's 90% split always, so it's pretty good. For advanced, it's always 90%, and you can make like 15K and basically take a, you know, it's maximum withdrawal is 15K on this advanced account size, which is pretty good too, but it's a little bit expensive, you know. But I don't think like anyone would make 15,000. That's tough. I think 1,500 payout is good enough to get you started. We got dumb and gold. Come on. I've been waiting. How do you know when to stop for today? It's just like you just gotta know it's enough and stop, man. Like I don't know. Like I just stop whenever I feel like it. Like see, I take small days too, and I stop. You know, today, let's say today 500 one trade, and I feel like, damn, one trade up 522nd. I think it's a good stop for the day. You know, like this maybe. You know, I take small trades, and if I feel enough, then I'll stop. You know, but no. If I feel like today there's a bank holiday, I'll stop, you know, just like yesterday I stopped on the XFA. Even though like I could get a 5K, like I was saying like it's gonna go back up towards here. But I took profit around here, you know? Around somewhere over here. If I let it run up here, it's 5K. But I'm fine with that, you know? Fucking go. Go just going to the moon. Well, I have a max trace amount, like so you would stop, you know? But usually if I think like if that day I take a couple losses and come back, then I'll take the small win, you know. But if I saw today with a W, then like I might go for a bigger win, you know. It depends. Looking at this gold shit is funny. It just keep going. We got some absorptions right here. Can we chop down? Come on now. This order got filled, absorb, couldn't push through. So can we get a chop down? Ooh. Passive buyers just want to keep filling in order and buy it in. My God. Like people today don't take profit at all. Price just keep pushing up. We had resistance 3, which is hella extended. This is just Project X. Multiple firms, they use the same. It's a partner. Like Project X partner with Topstep and with other firms, so it's just like TradeAway. It's a trading platform, you know, and Profirm just partner with them. Oh my God, every dip would get buy up is real, yo. God damn, go. I'm having 4 funded right now, and another 2 about to come. Cause 2 weeks ago I blew a couple, but so I've been just taking payout and save up money. And I got a payout with this guy, and you know I took the max payout, so my drawdown was so small, so I couldn't have room to play around with. So right now I have 4 funded. And I'm gonna take another 3K payout on this one, 1K on this one, and 1.5 on this one, and probably I'll take another 2.5 in 2 weeks with this one. So let's see. And I'm gonna put, 80% of it into stocks and reinvest 20% of the money. Now I'm not gonna go for a max payout right here, dude. Like I'm gonna just take it. Sometime like, if you go for max payout, you keep thinking about it like, damn, I need to make 10K to get the max payout, Hell yeah, dude. Like you get there. Absolutely. It takes time, but like you get there for sure. Just always keep your losses small. Yeah, I'm gonna get maxed out with Topstep too. Like 2 3 weeks ago, I was maxed out allocation, but I took payouts, and then I was playing. I was thinking I got the payout, and I played pretty aggressive on the funded because I already got a payout, so I don't care. So I got the balance back up to 4K, and then basically blew it. Like it was. So I learned something from that for sure. So that's why I'm trying to slow now. Let's go. What's my position size? So for this one today, I was using 2 minis because I have a lot of drawdown. So it depends. And that pyramid in like 2 minis, but usually with this one, maybe 5 micro max, 5 to a mini. But I wouldn't do anything than that. You can see. Usually I would do 5 to the max. I would do take small losses. You can see. Just take small losses. That's how you build up your account. Like today, take a couple small losses, right? And boom, just one trade clicked in. This day, took small losses, right? And boom. This day I took a good loss, like $800, but got it back up. Unfunded, I would say like for a 50K star, I would use 5 micros max, 5 to a mini. I would just like add in once it go in towards my directions and I'm already in profit, I'm gonna add more positions in, just add in slowly instead of like going full size. So now I'll just be using market money to make more money, instead of, going full size at first and risk like $500, like this one, was just small size. See, 2 micros, and look, it's good enough. This day was down 250, but got back up. See, on lost day, I would just like take small win and walked away. This day, start the day pretty good. So just one trade done. They say 10 trade, but like, I scale in. I add I add more position in as soon as go my way. Instead of like going full size, this day down 180, got it up to 500, always keep your losses small. This day is a little bit like choppy P&L right here, but it's all good, but make sure you keep your curve smooth, nothing sudden, because you would know someone like pretty good in risk management and take small losses is by looking at the P&L curve. Like look at daily, like it's just a smooth going up because they take small losses. It's not like a roller coaster, it's just, when you look at someone P&L, it's gotta move up like this, like in a curve, not just like going spy up down. God damn, going up, insane. Come on now, go. Just take small losses. But this one right here, I'm still in the 100% win rate. So probably I'll take some losses. Dude. Go is the heli. For real, I wouldn't short this on my funded for sure, but like I'm just having fun up here with y'all, so I'm gonna try to short it, on the eval only. But what the heli? Like it's just insane. Go. But most of my positions been long go. Look at this shit. Just long go and you make money for sure. Look, long some maybe take small loss on long go, but you just got a long go. That's all you gotta do to make money. I took short NQ here. Top ticket. It was like 5 minis. I was on stream. It was fun too. But I played pretty carefully on my funded and evals. Like I would just pass them quick because I already have the money. Like from payout, so I would just pass them quick and get unfunded. And once unfunded, I'm gonna try to get as much payout as possible, to be honest. But what the hell, Ego? Go! Look at this shit. Go, do something. They're not gonna do something about this? Where's the fucking Trump? The market maker? Whatever is it? Dude. What the fuck? Now it's gonna go for this orders. You know, but just play small. Smooth curve up. How many days it takes? You see 3-day max, to be honest. I play pretty aggressive on the evals. Sometimes I on fun with no consistency rule. Yeah, same day. I pass same day, basically. Maybe I'll fail one account and the next one I would pass, you know, but I already got fucking liquidated two accounts right here, but it's just a maximum stop loss, so like I'll be back next day. I still have 1K. Cause I'm trying to short this fucking goal. I hate it. That's why I gotta do it. But what the fuck? I'm about to get stopped out another account right here. No, it's not blue. It's just a daily loss limit. It's not blue. Like, you see? Daily loss limit. So I still have the account. It's not blue. It's just a, you know, daily loss violation, but that's it. Tomorrow I'll be back with the account. Then I'm gonna copy trade all 3 of this to pass it. Trade it slowly now. Because I'm already down 1K, you know? I gotta pass it. Dude, like, you just, you know, like, when you know you can get payout, just pass the eval quick. You know, but if you're not consistent yet on the funded, there should be no reason you fucking rush on the eval. Look, so this is one of my payout right here on this firm. Like, this firm is good, but it's hard to get a payout, you know. And it was my first account with them too, and I got a payout. Here's the payout. I'll go to dashboard, Topstep. You know, I got 3 from last week, you know. And this one I'm about to get a payout right here. And this is the first payout with this firm. First account with them too. So let's see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna update to y'all. You know, just 2 more days. I just gotta click buy and sell. Don't even need to make money because they just require 10 trading days. And I already meet all of the other requirements. I just need 10 trading days on this account. Then I'm gonna get 1.5 right here. I know I'm consistent on funded. That's why I'm rushing the eval. But if you're not, then like, you shouldn't. You know, because at first I was play slow on the combine too, because I know like if I rush, I'm still not gonna get payout on funded because I know I never gotten payout before, and I don't know if I have the ability to do that. But now I know I do, so I just rush it, you know. But dude, go. It's just done for me to pass this account. So I'm gonna be on the funded and trade with my people right here. Fucking go. I don't want to have another day with this account. Maybe this too, but let's pass this one. You know, people can call me gambling, but like, it's just like I'm having fun with my people and it's just an eval, you know? Yeah, I'm gamble, but look at my consistency, you know? Yeah, I'm gamble. For sure. I'm gamble for sure, you know? I'm gamble to get this winning streak. And I can show y'all a P&L of every day, you know? It's a smooth curve going up. You know? It's just like, dude, like, I gamble in my eval to pass it quick, but not to fucking fund it. Because I know I can get a payout, that's why I'm gambling on eval. But if I know I don't get a payout, then there should be no reason for me to like trying to pass the eval quick. You know? Yeah, just gotta be fearless, bro. Even on the funded. And my best advice for you is like take small losses, and you're gonna be fearless. Cause you know you only take small losses like this one last month. You know, $80 is like the lowest I would go for this account so far. Hell yeah, bro, hop on my Discord, you know, I can, if you have any question about psychology, just let me know. But look, you always have to keep your losses smaller. Look, you know, like, average win and average loss is like 2.23. That's mean like, my losses are so small. Hey, welcome to the stream, sorry. Welcome to the stream. And this is more than 100 trades, you know? It's way than enough data to prove that, like, I can be consistent on funded, you know? And I got payouts. And look, I just rushed through the accounts. You know? Dude, to be honest, bro, New York been hard, so like, I just been trading during Asia, you know? But, you know, sometime I trade my funded during New York too, like back then, like, I trade my funded on New York. Also, like, I stream, um, a couple days ago, like last week, I streamed during Asia, trading on my funded, on all of my funded. You can check my past stream. I think it was this one. I was trading on my funded, you know. Let me, but like, you know, like Asian market been doing good, man. Like way better than New York, so that's why. Hold on, let me see. And Coach Dakota from Topstep actually hop on the stream. It is this one. It's this one right here, 10 October 9th. You know? Y'all can check it out. But dude, like New York been hard to trade. Do you see that lately? Like it's just so. At first it's gonna consolidate, and then a big move just busts in. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, man. You know, but today it's a wonderful long on goal. To be honest, wonderful trade on goal. Just wonderful. I take a couple losses in the Discord stream, but small, right? And then like I was like, damn, it's a good time to buy gold, y'all. Go just retrace, buy that shit. It's not all time high yet, and it's gonna trying to go for all time high. Dude, like New York been really tough to trade, to be honest. Like the market is so unusual, you know. Like it's hard to trade, to be honest. I cannot predict well as well, you know. It's hard, and it's volatile, dude. Like it's just hard. So you gotta be careful during New York, you know. So I feel like Asia is like I like the Asia pace better, you know, cause like it's pretty chill, and then like I have time to, you know, analyze and think about my positions, you know, instead of during New York, it's just like it's going slow and suddenly like boom, it's a big move up, or like just like fucking like we just rug bull fucking last Friday there, bro. Like it's just insane, you know. It's hard to trade. And look, if I go to MNQ right now, you can see we're going down, then we're going up, and people think it's the breakout right here. People hop in, and then we're going back down. And now it's going back up. So people are gonna try to play the breakout. Probably it's gonna go back down, consolidate, maybe, but it's pretty unusual. Uh, dude, I haven't seen like a good trend day on New York. It's either a fucking dump. It's not even a trend, you know. It's just a dump. Look, so a couple of days ago we got the dump too. It's just a dump, you know, like no fucking trend. It's just dump, you know. And you know during Asia we just, and then like we dump and then we trend up again during as soon as New York closed, dude. Like it's just hard. Market been tough, bro. Like this market is tough right now. So like whoever survived in this market is a good trader right there, dude. Like respect, you know. It's a hard market to trade. It's hard. So you see, I look at this limit walls as like the magnet for price to go towards is the liquidity in the market, you know. But let's say if my entry is down here, right? Or like if I entry right here, I would put my stop loss just below the big bubble right here. You see buyers defend just right at the bubble right there, you know, just right at the bubble. So you put your stop loss below if you know that it's gonna keep going up, you know. But I use the wall to like this is like liquidity in the market, so market usually magnet towards them, you know. So you can see market's kind of magnet towards them, like earlier right here too, but it didn't get filled. Market's always, you know, it's liquidity, so people always want to get filled, and this huge order, you know, people want to get in and out, you know, so they're gonna go towards here. Here's like the zones, like people gonna get in or get out, you know, because there's a lot of order here, so they can get filled, you know. If they sell the order down, someone gotta buy it, right? So but like in between here, like that's no huge order, so big players that have huge positions, right, they cannot just sell all at once with no, let's say, buyers, you know. So maybe they gotta go up here, go down here, you know. So it is gonna get magnets, so I might get fucking, you know. But here's the two scenarios. It's either the order fill, absorptions, and price stall out, we reverse, or if buyers strong enough, they're gonna push through it and this become a support, you know. If buyers be able to push through it, it's gonna be a huge push up, you know, because like let's say this is like a wall to stop the flood, right? As soon as the wall break down, what's happened? The flood just gonna flush through, right? So it's gonna be a huge squeeze, right? So I might, shit, if buyers strong enough right here, I might, you know, hit the limit right, loss for the day right here. Yeah, like bubbles, but like, you know, but he do use like the tip, like the limit orders right here. He do use it, like, but I think he just doesn't show it or something. But he has to use the tip. Tip reading is so important. But like this, you have the tip on Topstep too, but you gotta pay for it. Like right here, you can get the tip, you know, but you gotta pay $20 on Topstep to see, you know, all the limit orders. Like right now you don't see, right? So if you pay $20, you're gonna be able to see them. Like let's say right here. Hold on. Add on, you know, depth of market, you know. But what? Bookmap help you look at the orders easier, to help you identify big orders by just, you know, marked out the band, like the darker is like the bigger order, you know, because like if just looking at the tip, you might not be as quick, you know. CVD is like between sellers and buyers. Look, dude, I was shorting because I look, this move up has no real demand. Like it's been like aggressive. You see, like CVD is going down, but price going up. So like there's more aggressive sellers than aggressive buyers. So this move, it's just like it's not true demand, and it might flip, you know, because like if you want to see a healthy trend, you need to see CVD go up, also price go up. You know, they gotta be intact with each other, you know. So but right now you see like more aggressive sellers, you know, price making high, but CVD making higher low. So a lot of people are selling, but you know, some limit buyers just absorb them. But I think once seller get back in control, it's gonna be a good dump. But you can see like we just came up to the band right there, you know, they got filled, and look, we got absorptions, we didn't push through. So now let's see if we're gonna push through or not. If buyers strong up, we're gonna push through. But you know, liquidity bands, these are liquidity, and price always magnet towards them. So right now market is uptrend, so they're gonna look for liquidity above. And if it goes down, so like you have this as your target, maybe you might want to exit here, you know? But it's gonna magnet towards them. So let's see. Damn, I'm gonna get stop out again. Come on now. Gambling too much with this account, dude. Alright, I'm gonna trade slow on this account tomorrow. I'm gonna put them on copy trading tomorrow and just trade all three of them. Bring this back slowly, you know? But dude, go. Yeah, nicotine does increase trading strats. Stats. Just go on NQ. Maybe ES sometime. But mainly go on NQ. Yeah, that's the main two things I trade. Dude, so tomorrow I'm gonna be on stream and copy trading all three of this and just take small size, trying to bring them back, you know, trying to pass them. I ain't trying to blow them. Today gambling is done. It's enough. It's enough, y'all. It's enough for the day. For fucking gambling shit. On the eval. Come on now. Y'all lock out this account? I haven't locked this account. I'm gonna set some stop limit right here, so I'm gonna trade on the funded for y'all to see, you know. So I wouldn't blow more than like, let's say 200 bucks. I'm on the funded now. I'm done with the eval there, bro. No more gamble on the evals, bro. Fuck that shit, bro. Dude. Alright, I'm gonna set a $200 loss limit right here and enable trailing. Realize gain. Cool. I'm gonna do some analysis. Dude, I'm not gonna buy gold right now, even on the funded, bro. If I buy gold, it's gotta be at a better price, you know? So I'm gonna do some analysis right here. Let's lock in, y'all. Let's get some more cash. Locked in, y'all. We locked the fuck in. Y'all wanna see me trade on funded? I'll trade it. But you know, I'm already up for the day, so I'm willing to lose only 200 bucks, you know? I ain't trying to lose more than that right now. I'm good, you know? I'm good with that. We're currently at the POC. Here, I'm gonna extend this out a little bit so I can do a quick chart analysis, you know? I'll get back with y'all on the Bookmap. I need to mark out my zone first, so this is my routine. You mark out your important zones first, and you look for, you know, opportunity with Bookmap to execute. Let's say we have this low volume node, right? Yeah, just wait, you know, I was waiting for it to get out of this range for me to trade. So right now it's consolidating. You know, it's best to buy low, which is buying down here, and sell high. You gotta identify consolidation zone as quick as possible to do that, you know, to buy low, sell high. You shouldn't chase for a breakout, you know. If you know it's a consolidation, you buy low, sell high. That's the best options right now. And I'm looking to buy low, sell high, to be honest. We're currently at the POC. I'm gonna check out the session POC real quick. I'm all done with the gambling shit on the EVA. So let's lock in. Let's do some real shit right here for y'all. Yeah, today's bank holiday. We might chop for the rest of the day. And you know, we just make a huge drop. Price need time to, like, you know, to you know, the price need to rest, you know, like down here, like buyers gonna get scared to buy, and sellers like they're not gonna sell this low, you know, so it's gonna need time. It's gonna need time, you know. Okay, we're getting down to towards venue area low. I might look for a buy soon, you know. I'm gonna look for some absorptions because this, let's just say it's a consolidations. You buy low, you sell high. That's what you do. And preferably, I would want to wait for price to get down here though. But let's see. I would do one micro, you know, and then scale in slowly because I'm only willing to lose 200. Bro, if you're having sub, give me a sub. I'm almost at 300 sub. Come on. Let me see. How many subs we at? 293. Come on. Y'all can push it today, right? 7 more subs. Come on. Come on, give me some sub. I really appreciate the support, you know. Sub, a thumbs up. That's all I need. You know. I'll answer any questions. Having fun here with y'all. And if you need any advice, I can give it. If I know about it, then like I'll give out the advice, you know. But obviously, like if I don't know something, I would say I don't know something. I don't know everything, you know. I don't know everything. So if you ask something and then like I never, you know, learn about it or never heard about it, then I cannot answer. But let's say if you ask me about Bookmap, hell yeah. Appreciate it, Kevin. Yeah, I'll give you a heart right here, you know? That K-pop heart. Let's go. Might want to buy low, sell high right here. Going one micro, risking just below here. Or 50 bucks. Hold on, let me see if we can. How much is that Bookmap? It's like for the data alone, it's like 37 bucks on one package. So like for Comax and CME, which is for Go and NQ, it's $74 in total. And you know, for the subscription, it's like 90 bucks a month. So $100+ a month. But I do it on Discord for 10 bucks. You know, I live it on Discord. I'm not Korean, I'm Vietnamese. Do I look like Korean? Oh, this might not looking good. I think I rushed a little bit right there. Open Nick. Hold on. No, I was rushed there a little bit because I think I'm only in one micro, but market's volatile. Yeah, I'm Viet staying in the US. Hold on. I gotta look at this price action real quick. I think I'm a little bit rushed right there. I didn't think market gonna be this volatile. Just one micro and up and down 50 bucks that quickly. Wow. Thanks, man. But you should always buy low, sell high when you're in a consolidation zone. Dude, like I brought my boyfriend to Vietnam and he loves it, bro. Oh my god, aggressive seller stepping in. I gotta get out right there, you know? Gotta get out right there. Just take the quick loss. I'll get in back in later, you know? Let's see how much drawdown I have though. Okay, I have another 150 bucks. Dude, yeah, my fiance is from Da Nang. Da Nang? That's the right way to say it. Hell yeah, dude. You know, you just gotta take quick losses. That was not good for me. I had to take the loss right there. Then just watch. I'm gonna play it back up here. Make about, you know, quick 600 bucks. I'm gonna scaling slowly to 2 micros, so risk like about 50, 100 bucks max a trade. Dude, like Vietnam is the most beautiful play ever. Like, look. Here, I'm just gonna type Vietnam. Look at this shit. And I took my boyfriend to all of these places, dude. He loves it, dude. Look. Banahil, come on now. Look at this shit. I went here in Hanoi. Look. I was drinking coffee like at the 2nd floor though. Look at this shit, bro. What? You know, it's just it's pretty. This is our culture. You know, Vietnam is so good. Look at this. You don't see this anywhere beside Vietnam. Oh my god. Come on now. And this is the city I'm from right here. Yeah, bro, the food, bro, the hospitality, the service, bro. You're the king, dude. If you had the money, bro, like you basically the king. This is where I'm from. I'm living in the palace. Like inside like the palace right here, like my house is somewhere in there. This is where I'm from. Like this is why like the king of, you know, Vietnam used to live. Like not the king. What's the word for it? And emperor. Hold on. Yeah, emperor. Dude, my childhood, I used to go here a lot. Emperor. Not the palace. Not the palace, but inside the wall. Like you know, like it's a whole palace. So like there's citizens, like houses, you know, like hold on, this is my house. I forgot the number though. I don't know. But dude, like Vietnam is so cool. Dude, I need to make like a trading trip to Vietnam. What do you mean? What do you guys think? Like, you know, I'll set up the plan and y'all just gotta pay for the ticket. We go to Vietnam. I'll set up hotel and everything. Dude, that'd be so cool, you know? Like trader meet up in Vietnam. Come on, bro. And like we have a six here from Cambodia. He's right next to Vietnam too. Dude, and it's so cheap over there. Like a 5-star hotel is probably 30 bucks a night. Dude, I'm 21. Let's do it. Come on, you know? Shit, I'm going back this summer, so maybe I'll set up, see whoever want to go, you know? I'll set up all the ticket, hotel, so you just got, I'm basically your tourist, you know? I'm your elite right there. Like I'll set up the plan, everything. Just gotta follow, you know? I'll show you places. Hold on. That might be a good opportunity soon. Okay, we're squeezing back up. Buy low, sell high right here. It's about to be time, y'all. Buy one right here. Risk max, 50 bucks. Yeah, tour guy. I'm gonna be your tour guy. Dude, like, if y'all willing to go, I got y'all, you know? Nice, bro. Yeah, I just turned 21, like, August. Okay, so if it push below this bias, it's gonna flush back down towards here. So I don't want it to push below that bias right there. And it would need to push above, you know, this absorptions. That was passive seller right here. So I needed to push above this bubble for me to pyramid in another contract. But you see, like, my routine is identify, are we in a consolidation market or trending market? And second, if we're like in a consolidation market, then what? Buy low, sell high. If we're in a trending market, then you do what? You buy high, sell higher. Just like go earlier. But let's see if I get stop out right here. See, as soon as we push through that buyer, we just flush down. So I hope buyers down here will hold it. If not, then I got stop out. How much left we have to trade? Oh, I really want to trade with y'all, but okay, we still have 90 bucks. The big bubbles mean like just big buyers. So this is like the buyers, like, you know, break out of the structure right there. So it got a hold. If not, then like we're gonna flush back down, you know. Oh shit, my bad. You see, like it was holding until like strong seller came in and pushed through it. We flush back down. Might get a double bottom right here. I'm gonna hop back in for a buy. There's 50 bucks again. Come on. And we push up from here. I'm gonna scale one more in as soon as push above the top. Dude, I'm scared that it's might come down and sweep this low. We have the liquidity right here though. So let's see. Oh, this is just like the total CVD of like what I'm watching right now. We're displaying on the chart. Okay, this wall holding. Aggressive buyer start 7 in. Coming back to retest this. Or maybe push through the wall. Let's see though. Nice. Can we hold it? Nice. Bust back up. 780 is the liquidity right there. Hold on, let me cancel that real quick. Because I might add in another one just like right here. Before it go up. Then try my stop loss up. 50 bucks still. Let's see. It's a little bit risky, 50 bucks. I might get stop out, but let's see. Because like to be safe, I need to set it below here. But I'll risk it. Come on, hold it. Can we go for this band? Nice. Go break even soon. As soon as it's happened, I'm gonna go break even right here, so it's fine. It's a free trade. TP, as I say, it's a consolidation zone. It's gonna go up here. You know, buy low, sell high. That's all you gotta do. I'm break even right now though. So let's see if I'm gonna. I got break even right there. Dude. Hold on, let me put this a little bit further so I have a little bit space to play around, you know? Dude, I was thinking like I'm scared to get locked out there so I can trade with y'all, you know? So I'm gonna have a little bit more space. Oh, thank you for the sub on Whoop. I think someone just sub to my Whoop. But it's fine. I'll get break even, I'm a re-entry. Maybe I'll wait for it to clear this liquidity right here. This band right here. And I'm gonna get back in. We have orders at the 700. Oh, thanks, Shapey. Going one micro again right here. this time have a little good stop loss right here. At least below here, you know, if price push back below here, I'm gonna get out again. But dude, I need a good stop loss. We can break out this range. I'm gonna add in one more. Holding. Just gotta break out this range and we're good to go. Because that price stalling at the bottom right now, bottom of the range, and it's consolidating. Good sign's gonna go back up to the top. People are gonna try to play breakout right here, but you know, you just gotta identify consolidation zone and play with it. Like, don't force a breakout. Bro, appreciate it, man. Yeah. People are definitely gonna try to play the breakout right here, but our market might just consolidate and pick them out. The price seems stalling right here. Pretty good sign for it to reverse. Since we got out this range, I'm gonna add in one more. Then it's gonna push up quick right here to squeeze out this short right here. Like, if you see, like, you know, a lot of shorts stack up around here. It rejected multiple times, so as soon as get out of it, they're gonna cover the position. It's gonna go up quick. Here we go. Yep, it's going up quick. Yep, that's a really quick push right there. As I say, just reject multiple times. That's mean a lot of short just stack on top right here. So as soon as get out, dude, it's just gonna go. And then what we have right here, passive sellers previously, so they might defend it, but let's see. I feel like it's gonna go up because it's still consolidation zone. It's not gonna. There's a high chance it's not gonna break out. You just gotta know, like, you know, consolidation zone. You trade buy low, sell high. You don't trade the breakout stop loss move, risking $50. TB just right at the top. No, it was Vanilla low, right? We rejected it. So we're consolidating in this range. Maybe I'll take TB at Vanilla high right here instead of all the way to the top, you know, maybe around 864. But basically I can go break even right now. I'm gonna do 864. It's $300. Take profit maybe. Maybe first 847. I'm gonna go break even right here. Break even. Took 2 losses and already back up, you know. Pretty small losses too. You just gotta know, like, when to take loss, when to get back in, stuff like that. I take 300. Well, maybe I'll take partial and let it ride, you know. We ride to the moon, baby. I'm gonna take partial at POC right here. You know. Take a quick little trade. Look at that shit. This is the power of Bookmap. I literally say what happened right as soon as we get out of here. All of the short, trying to short it multiple times, they're gonna cover the positions. We're gonna get a huge push up. Execution part done. Now it's just what? Take profit part. You gotta be good in taking profit too. Good with taking losses, good with take profit. Up already $200 again, dude. Like, come on now. $200. Bookmap.com. What do you mean why I buy the Bookmap? Just search up Bookmap, you know. Took 2 small losses right there. Up $400 again. Up $200. You know? Just gotta take your losses, dude. It's fine to take losses. Then like if I see there's potential, I'll hop back in, you know? I took the losses and just chat with y'all. I'm gonna do take partial soon at the POC, which is around right here. This might be a rejection at POC right here at the 47. So I'm gonna take quick profit. Then let the rest ride, baby. And we have big sellers right here too. So I might just take one. Yep, I'll take one off right there at the big sellers. They might recheck off a little bit right here. I might scale back in, you know? I might scale back in at the retracement. It's fine. Just take the profit. Secure in that fucking profit. And go back to the top right here. I'll bang in 340 bucks. Right there. One trade make back everything. Break even now. You know? Break even on that trade. Got locked in, right? I said I locked in. I gave y'all the analysis. I identified this as consolidation zone. So you do what? You buy low, you sell high. Simple like that. I see absorption in Bookmap. Price stalling out. So what? I'll look for a buy. Got locked in, y'all. Got locked in. A lot of people was trying to short that breakout. That's why they're getting squeezed out right now. Because they cannot identify the zone. They're going to get trapped. You got to be able to identify zones quick. You just got to be quick. You know? Be quick. You know, I do a quick analysis right there. I haven't looked at NQ for the whole day and just do a quick analysis. And in a good zone, then like, okay, I'll hop in, you know? Shit. Look, this is a low volume note from earlier. And it's getting respected. And before that, I called it in Discord. People might bottom take it, but I don't know if anyone take it. I called the bottom take out. Low volume note. Yep, we're getting a retracement by the sellers. They're defending, so I might add in another one down here. You know? Then just use some market money to go to the moon. And even if I add in one more, I still have a really small stop loss or like just break even, you know? It's not gonna be huge. Because I'm gonna buy from down here. If it do, I would want to buy around this buyers right here. I want to see it come back retest. I'll buy in right here. Catch a bottom tick buy. Back in another micro, you know? So look, I'm gonna try out the box right there and look. I'll show y'all how price react. So right now this seller's defending price. That's why you see consolidations. Because that seller trying to sell, but buyers down here trying to defend, you know? Oh my god, just going up. So I guess no retracement. I hope there's one. No, you just gotta know it's a consolidation zone. You don't play breakout. Yeah, you long NQ GC because easy, it's trending. But are you able to identify consolidation zone to not like, you know, seeing this as a bearish move? And you know, you would go along right here, you know? Just gotta know your zone. You gotta do some analysis. Because it was so bearish right here and I still look for a buy, right? Because I know my zones, I know my levels, I know what I'm looking for. I know it's a consolidation market. I shouldn't go for a short to break out. But I took a couple small loss right there. And I was waiting to see if like buyers really holding it. It does. And I hop back in and make back most of my profit and plus the win right here. That's how you make money a profit from. Keep losses small. Cut it quick. No matter what, bro. No matter how much. Even I'm in 2 minutes and down a lot, and I know like this zone I gotta get out, I'll get out, you know? But as a beginner, you should play small size so like you can take losses without, you know, emotions. Because if you play too big of a size, you wouldn't want to get out because by the time you're already down so much. Just gotta know. Oh my god, we already pushed above that these sellers right here. We might just squeeze up right here, to be honest. Yeah. But right, my routine first identify are we in a consolidation market or trend? And yeah, I trade Asia. Yesterday I took trade Asia. Look, I took most of my trade Asia. 7 p.m., 5 p.m. 5 p.m. still early, but I was spamming buy the fuck out of this shit to get the fill on NQ. 26-second trade, done for the day, you know? Like, I know it's gonna gap up. So I was just like, yo, people spam that shit. Spam the long right now. When people are panic, that's when you should buy, you know? And I even tell people it's a good time to DC in stocks, long investment, because we're in a higher time frame, low volume node. So I couldn't bottom tick right here if the market was open, to be honest. I was telling people like it's a good time to buy in for long-term investment. Yeah, you know, like hold on, let me see. Oh shit, JP. Look, so I was telling this guy, you know, it's a good time for now. Looking bearish, but I'm gonna wait, see how structure and volume form. But if you're a long investment, good time to DCA. People ask me, so I answer. And I don't know about intraday trading, you know, but I know long-term investment, you're not gonna get liquidated, right? It's a good time to buy in. And I am not giving advice for like intraday trading, because if y'all get liquidated, it's gonna be my fault, you know. And it's looking bearish, so I cannot say you should long fucking intraday, but I was longing. Show my payout, bro. I already showed my payout, bro. I don't want to show it again. Did I show it? Just hop into Discord, bro, and see my payouts, bro. Dude, like, why people are asking me for payout history? Like, why? Dude. And I show it earlier, so I don't want to show it again. It's a little bit personal too, you know? It's a payout, it's money, you know? Dude, like, it's fine, but like, you know, like, when asking for a payout history, you know, like, it's kind of personal, but like, I just shown it, you know? But yeah, like, you can join Discord, bro, like, absolutely, bro, like, you can see all my payouts, you know? But even if I don't have a payout, it's fine too. Like, I just know that I'm having fun with trading, you know? Yeah, it's a good time to buy, right, Vincent? What did I say, Vincent? I'd say it's time to buy in stocks, long-term investment. I'm not sure about intraday trading though. But it's a good time to buy. Goddamn. Guess what? Higher time frame. This is just a lower high. I mean like a higher low, right? We're still bullish. Look at this. We didn't even break the structure yet. How is it gonna become bearish? on a higher time frame. You know, I need to see if this come up here and create a lower high and break this low, then yeah, I'll see it bearish trend about to start, you know. But this might just be a pullback, you know. It's a good time to buy, Vincent. And I told you, like, during the weekend too, it's a good time to buy. But I cannot guarantee your, you know, intraday position, so I cannot, because it's a huge bearish candle, you know. And I am not sure if like it's a good advice to buy right now, you know. But right now I see structure form, bullish kind of support a little bit, so I took, and price consolidate, so I took a long. Oh my god, up 200. Let's go. I took so small losses and up so much. And I took partial right there too. Come on, y'all. Alright. It's different between gamble and eval and funded. On funded, I'll be locked in and do the analysis. And I did my analysis and I call it out, right? You know, I call it out. It's a consolidation market. Just buy low, sell high. You shouldn't play breakout. But let me try my stop loss up a little bit, so I'm for sure guarantee some shit right here. Yeah, you got locked in, bro. Got locked in. And I wouldn't short go on funded or long go on funded right now. It's too overextended, you know, but I would short go for sure on eval. I'm gamble that shit. But you know, NQ has structure. That's why I take the trade. It's not overextended. It's not too low. It's just like perfect, you know, and consolidating. So I just buy low, sell high. But go, like, what structure are you gonna base on? It hasn't created any structure since it's moved up. It's just been moving up. But look, NQ does have structure. Look, it rechecked multiple times, and it looks like it's consolidating. So I just base on that and trade. How are you gonna trade GC? You telling me right now? Imagine you going for a long right now, and it's just reverse on you, bro. Like what? Where are you gonna put your stop loss, dude? It's literally grinding up right now. How are you gonna put your stop loss? But with NQ, like, we have structures. Like earlier, I would put my stop loss below this low, you know. Then push up, I move my stop loss up. Yeah, below a volume bubble, but still, it's overextended, you know? It's still kind of unsafe to trade. Because, you know, it could easily dump. It's just, yeah, like, you could do that too. Ride the trend. But, you know, like, you're not going to feel as confident when you're in a long go at that high of a price. You're not going to ride it for long. It's just like you're not gonna know like where should I take TP, you know? You're just gonna it's just hard, dude. Like you don't know how much it's gonna keep going up because it's already been up 2.5%. Now I buy low, sell high right here, bro. With NQ right here, buy low, sell high, bro. You gotta be able to identify. I might take some profit. I'm gonna take profit right here, y'all. Up 500 for the day. I'm cool with that because I is currently at the Vanguard high. It's kind of rejecting, so I don't want to risk it, you know. I'll take the 500 bucks. It's fine though. I just don't. I'm just done. You see how fast is my win? Dude, as soon as I get in, it's just gotta move up or not. Then I'll get out, you know. Look, took 2 loss, 2 win. So bam, we go down a little bit right here, and boom, go to the moon. Highest day is 325, and now it's 500. So that's just 180 bucks profit after the losses. 2 micros. Come on now. I'm done for the account, and it's still going up. But I don't care. Bro, not gonna lie, come up here. Yeah, I self-learned Bookmap basically. Yeah, just YouTube. And do a lot of screen time. Let's see gold. Shit, I wouldn't still want to short gold, bro. Maybe on a eval, but definitely not funded, bro. This shit is funny. It's too funny, bro. I'm getting off stream here in 30 minutes. At 11. My time. It's value at a high, so you know it might come back, so I'll just take profit right there. I don't like, you know, I just want to take quick profit. I could hold on it, but yeah, 50K account 1 micro. Yeah, that's the lowest size. Yeah, 1 micro. Yeah, 1 to 5, but 5 is large. So 1 to 3. And market is volatile right now. 2 micro, I just make like 200 bucks right there. More than 200. It's like how much? 180 plus 120. 300 bucks. All right, you have a good day, Nicolas. It's way less volatile, and then you still make good money. But gold during Asia is volatile. Yeah, but gold during New York is not. But gold during Asia just runs so nice. It's so nice. But you see how I'll take trade during Asia, maybe sometime not. Depends on the volume though. But yesterday gold was just so nice. Just a huge push up with a lot of buyer support, so I went long at the retracement. This account right here. Let's see gold. I bought all the way down here. Hold on, let me extend this out. Yeah, I bought gold right here, took profit right here, you know. If I held it up here, that would be 5K. But I was not being greedy. No, I'm from the US. I'm not in Vietnam right now. Gold is pretty nice. I would long down here any day of the week, but I wouldn't long up here, you know. Like look, I mark out the zone, I getting respect, you know. Just hopping for a long. Cause earlier, how I look at it is like I try out like, you know, volume profile chart from here to here. Then this is a low volume node. But even going to a lower time frame. Then this is value error. It tapped back into value error, recheck. I know that it's a long right there. It recheck quickly too. And on Bookmap, I see absorption too. And, you know, this is like, let's say this is value area high right here. You know, it recheck quick, so you know you should go for a long. We came back to test value area, we reject quickly, and there was a lot of buying momentum. So usually like Asia Open or like Sydney like rally Sydney though. I don't trade Sydney at all, but Asia Open. So um 8 a.m. New York time. Yeah, 8 p.m. I mean 8 p.m. New York time. Check out gold real quick. Ooh, all liquidity above have been taken out. Now we have this huge order right here. I might play towards it. I might go in one micro right here and play towards it. Why I'm on M&Q? What the freak? No! Fuck, I lost $9. Hold on, let me add the link. What the fuck? No, that was a good short too. I'll play towards the order. Fuck, I missed the short though. I missed it. I was gonna short up here. Dude. Come on now. We have 130 orders right here. At the 410. At least. Link inside to link the order book right here to your chart. So I was not linked, and you know I was on GC chart, but this one wasn't linked, so it was still on M&Q. So I was like, damn, bro, why am I on M&Q? Can we go for the order right here? Since push below this low, I'm gonna add in another one right here. Risking about $50 max. I'll do max $50 for this move. Because it's still an uptrend. It's pretty risky, you know? But it looked juicy as well. Oh, wow. People just buy dip on NQ right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get stop out. So that's 450 for the day. It's a pretty risky trade. Look on GC real quick. Yeah, the sell button, it's not working, bro. Everyone just buy, buy, buy. And we're so extended too. But it's cool. I'll take the $50 loss, you know. But dude, all of this order is looking juicy. So I might have to try it again. It buys for right here. At the 120 maybe. They're selling out a little bit. Dude, I'm done with NQ, dude. Buy low, sell high. I'm done with that. Maybe go for a sell right now, but I'm done with that for now. Try to get this order on go right here. So earlier NQ, it went down to some orders right here. It held, so went for a long. But NQ still has 900 as the target right here. This orders. It hasn't got filled. So I feel like it's gonna come up to fill it. Yo, I might take a big size scalp right here. Tie stop loss towards the order. Let's lock in right here. I'm gonna mark out that 900. And get ready to go in live 5. Let's see how many ticks is that. Yeah, that's pretty good, like $100. I need if you scalp like this, you need a bigger size. Maybe I'll go 1 million. What's up? What's up, assist? Yeah, SMT, like bearish. Seems like it's going up for the order. Take a quick buy right here. Risking $100. Well, can we hold it? Come on, pull up to the order. Fuck, I'll take $85 loss. Dude, that was not great. Hold on. I gotta wait a little bit right here. Wait for a good confirmation. But 900 is still the target right here. Okay, that's a good confirmation. Buyers start stepping back in. If it pull up back above here, I'm a re-entry. But I don't like that for at the moment. I just gotta take the quick $80 loss. Yeah, if it get back above here, I'm a re-entry for that 900 orders. Damn, we back down to $350 for the day, but it's all good. If I didn't take, you know, if I don't stop myself out right there, that would hit the full stop loss though. Like looking at the candle, I don't like it. I just take it. Get back above here, I'm gonna go for that 900 orders. Maybe, you know, $300. Get back above the sellers. Locked in, y'all. I'm gonna go 5 in. Above that, I'm gonna add in more. Risking $100. I'm getting ready to add 5 more as soon as push above that. This sellers right here. Going for the 900 order. Oh wow. Can we hold this on? Just go for the 900 orders. It would be nice. No, it's like right there. Might get stop out again. We got this buyers right here. Can we just hold it? We go for the next that band right there. Nope. Got stop out again. Down to 40. Let's see how much have left? 250 bucks. Yeah, if it don't hold, like it's gonna push back down towards here. So I give it a try. I might have to go in a smaller size right here. Hold on. Let me set this to regular. I might stop trailing with that so I can give it another try. With small size first, so the order is looking good. So we down 250 on trying NQ right there. So I might have to lower my size a little bit and add in slowly. To get this 900 orders. Mark out some of the zone. Here's where most buyers came in. I would want to buy in this rectangle box. But if you get below that, then maybe down here. Got some zone. I got absorptions right here a little bit. You know, a lot of sellers, but like price is moving up. So let's see though. Got into stop loss below these boxes. I'm gonna give it a try. $900 to the target. My God, very push up. Dude, I want to add more in. That was quick. Might be a good time to add in at this buyers down here. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to close though. Two more. Stop loss just below here. Or below this buyers right here. 58. Just below, put it 57 right there. Since this candle flip, I'm gonna add in one more. There we go, 5 in. Still looking for that 900. Let's see if I can make some on this tray. We have the big sellers right here, so you know we have to push through them. I might go break even soon. I have to. Since we push above here, I'm gonna add in two more and trail my stop loss up. 880, we have a liquidity band right there. You can see buyers defending, you know. So you can use the bubble to set your stop loss. There we go. And 2 more. Scaling, moving stop loss just below this bubble. 64. We're still going for that high at the 900. There we go. Stop loss break even by now. Shouldn't come back. I'm gonna take 400, so that's 600 for the day. If it goes up from here towards the 900. Not then. Oh, come on, push up. Shit, I might have to move. We fell again right there. That's why it's a good. That was a good execution trade, you know, because we have the big sellers up here. They will defend it. I don't know how, but that was a good execution, you know, risk management. So I'm away again. Just retesting this on again. If we can get into the rectangle, it would be a really good place to buy in. But you guys can see how I manage my trade, like to be able to get those small losses, you know? Oh, if we can squeeze back up here, that's a confirmation. And I might take a big size towards the 900 order, to be honest. So let's see. Can get back up here above it is huge. I'll take 250 bucks at least. But we might squeeze higher though. Let's see how much I'm willing to risk. Going 5. Risking 150 bucks. That's a good squeeze back up right there. Fick out the short. You know? Now we go for the 900 orders. And even more, maybe more. 900 is just liquidity band, but if we be able to push through that, it's going to be huge. You know? Oh my god, they're going to stop me out before they go up? Shit. God damn it, bro. Got stop out again. Yeah, I'm done for the day on this account, dude. I give it a try over and over again. Shit, I still want to try it though, but dude, this is risky for me right now. Ah, a little bit mad about the market right there, but it's all good. Let's see, gold. Gold's still going up. Market just hard to trade today. Beside you buy low, sell high right there. That was the best option. Got back up. How's everyone doing? Any trades yet? I still think 900 is the target right here. Shall I risk it? Hmm. Tough decision. Are you done for the day? W, man. Oh, you're not trading? Okay, cool. Yeah, I guess. It's hard. It's hard right now. I guess I gotta wait. Gotta wait a little bit. Nice. W, bro. Yeah, I just want to take trade with y'all, you know? Just have some fun. Because I already locked out all my other accounts. Check out GC though. Dude, we still have this thick orders. It's gonna come up to fill this first though. Whoa, 125. Oh, I would love to try this again though. But it's consolidating right now, so I might need a wider stop loss. But I don't know though if it's worth it to risk. Uh, Shit, I gotta give it another try. Sorry, y'all. 200 bucks risk. If this trade is not doing good, I'ma just be done for the day, y'all. 4 hours candle flip. We can go back to the top right here. Or maybe low, go into this low volume note. But this is gonna be the last trade of the day. I'm done. You know? We still have this huge order up here waiting to be filled. Maybe even push through. Nice. The order got filled. Move my stop loss up a little bit. Got filled. Can we push through that order? Get to the 900. They got filled right there. This might be dangerous right here if they don't push through. Come on. I'm getting ready to exit my position too, if needed. If it can push through, like, it's gonna be huge. We can easily go up here towards the low volume node. It's consolidating right now, but let's see if we can get breakout. But I'm gonna try my stop loss for sure. Nice, we got pushed through right there. I might go break even right here. I'm gonna risk. Alright, I'll do 150. Gotta give it some space. Cause might recheck a little bit right here before it keep pushing up. If we can have a push through. To squeeze those sellers. And we're gonna recheck. Come on, buyers. I know buyers can do this. For sure. Come on, buyers. Push them, push them. Keep pushing. Squeeze them. Getting to exit. If we're not able to push above that right now, come on. This is risky. I have to take that right there. It's gonna push below that low. Dude, $5. Yeah. This one tough, tough. Oh, GCR push up. Get all of this order. Dude, GC is just insane, dude. Been just going up. We almost at 3% now. What the fuck? Like, what? How does it even make sense? Wow. Push NQ push right back up. They're still tempting me to buy though. can push above that, it's gonna be a squeeze. So I'm gonna put a stop buy just right high right there. So we push through this big order, it's gonna be huge. Get filled. Can push through that, it's gonna be huge. Amen. Can we push through it? Can we squeeze them? Stalling though. Fuck, this does not looking good. Come on, buyers. Dude. Buyers not looking good right there for me. Again. Oh, I'm gonna stop the stream here. I'm done. That was a little bit over trading, but it's cool. I'll see y'all tomorrow.